Jammu Links News Top Stories is brought to you by Tasya Herbals alcohol-based hand sanitizer with neem and aloe vera extracts, helping India fight COVID-19.
Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Thursday said that we must not forget how Pakistan attacked the people of Muzaffarabad on 22nd October 1947 while killing thousands. He also urged people not to forget the sacrifices made by the people of Kashmir in the fight against Pakistan. Sinha made these remarks while addressing two-day national symposium focusing on the memories of 22nd October 1947, the Black Day.
73 सालों में पीढ़ियां बीत गईं, लेकिन दर्द नहीं गुजरा। जो जख्म दिल पर लगे वो आज भी ताजे हैं। जम्मू कश्मीर की नई पीढ़ी के नौजवानों को शायद न मालूम हो किस तरह से पाकिस्तानी हुक्मरान और वहां की फौज ने ऑपरेशन गुलमर्ग के जरिए हमारे बेगुनाह भाइयों का बेरहमी से कत्ल किया, हमारे घरों को जलाया, हमारी बहनों और बेटियों की असमत लूटी।
Police have recovered 3.2 kg of heroin worth ₹2 crores in the border district of Poonch in Jammu and Kashmir. On receiving a specific information about the dealing of narcotics in the Basuni area, the police team launched searches in the area. During search, they recovered heroin containing 3 packets weighing 3.2 kgs. A case was registered at the police station in Mendar in this regards on the investigation underway.
पिछले 21 और 22 की उसमें मैं और SHO अपनी पार्टी के साथ रूटीन पेट्रोलिंग पे थे। दौरान पेट्रोलिंग खबर आई कि बसूनी इलाका में कुछ लोग नारकोटिक्स की डीलिंग कर रहे हैं।
Hundreds of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir refugees gathered at the Vikram Chowk in the Jammu city under the banner of SOS International, an organization of POK displaced persons, to observe Black Day on Thursday. Black Day is observed on October 22nd every year to mark Pakistan's invasion of Kashmir in 1947. On this day, Lashkars armed with axes, swords and guns backed by Pakistan Army attack under Jammu and Kashmir and unleashed atrocities on men, women and children.
मुजफ्फराबाद जम्मू कश्मीर के ज़िला मुजफ्फराबाद पर हमला किया था और हमारे हिंदुओं और सिखों को गाजर मूली की तरह काटा था, उनकी निर्मम हत्याएं की थी। और ये सिलसिला वहाँ से चलता हुआ मीरपुर, पुंछ, उसके बाद आप देखें कि ये सारे इलाकों में फैला।
Invoking Goddess Durga, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday reaffirmed her government's irrevocable commitment to the women's empowerment and safety. Reaching out to the people of West Bengal during the state's biggest festival, Durga Puja, the Prime Minister said, though it was being celebrated on the limited scale due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the enthusiasm is unlimited. Noting that the goddess Durga was worshipped as a symbol of Shakti, Modi said his government was consistently working for the empowerment of the women.
स्वागत करते हैं। ये दर्शन ईश्वरीय सत्ता से हमारा संतान और मां का ये रिश्ता, यही हमारे आध्यात्मिक और सामाजिक चिंतन का मूलभूत आधार है। देश में आज महिलाओं के सशक्तिकरण का भी अभियान तेज गति से जारी है।
Two terrorists on Thursday surrendered before the security forces during a cordon and search operation in Baramulla district in Jammu and Kashmir. A cordon and the search operation was launched by the security forces in Tujjar area of Sopore. During this operation, 2 terrorists surrendered before the security forces. Both the terrorists, aged 20 and 21, are the residents of Sopore town.
ठीक है, आपसे वादा किया था लेकर आएंगे, सील वालों को भी लेकर आएंगे, ठीक है, हम पूरी सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
Active cases of COVID-19 in India has fallen below 10%, while the positivity rate of the disease was reported below 5% in the last 3 days, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare said on Thursday. Presently, the active cases comprises merely 9.29% of the total positive cases of the country, standing at 7,15,812. The daily positivity rate has also been maintained at less than 5% over the past 3 years, indicating that the spread of the infection is being effectively contained through focused strategies and actions of the centre and the states. Scripting a new chapter, the Indian Navy has got ready its first batch of 3 women pilots for the maritime reconnaissance mission on the Dornier aircraft. Lieutenant Divya Sharma, Lieutenant Shubhangi Swaroop and Lieutenant Shivangi are now ready to take on the maritime reconnaissance mission on the Dornier aircraft. They have been operationalized on the Dornier aircraft by the Southern Navy Command today.